Welcome to the Credit Report Rundown with Zako and Victoria. Now, Victoria, what are the top 3 mistakes that Australians make when they are working with their credit reports?
Sure. Hi everyone, thanks for listening. Top 3 mistakes that consumers are making that we cannot fix 9 times out of 10. So we need to start all being really proactive about this. Number 1 is missing repayments. So you've got a car loan, you've got a personal loan, might be a credit card or a mortgage. You miss just one repayment, your score can go from 800 to 400. And for context, we've got 1,200 points with Equifax. If you're not sitting at 600 or up, potentially you won't be able to get that refinance done. You won't be able to purchase that new car that you were looking to buy. Just one missed payment can drop your score. The other thing is, it's really impacting scores are ignoring bills. So, and that might not be your fault per se. It might be that the bills are going to your email spam and you're not seeing them. Make sure all of your address details are up to date. Make sure you're receiving your bills and set a reminder to check on your bills every month. For example, we've seen someone damage their credit score with a missed repayment because they didn't realize that an annual fee was coming up on a credit card. I think a lot of us have been guilty of this, and because it's reported for 24 months, it can impact your score. If say if it was listed in this month, you've got 2 years in front of you where potentially you can't get finance. And the third thing that we're seeing that's severely damaging scores, and this is up to 5 years worth of damage, is shopping around online.
Yes.
We get calls every day. You know, maybe half of the inquiries we get every day, no pun intended, are too many inquiries. And consumers don't understand the impact of going online and looking for the best deal. Because every time you click that button, submit for application or submit for conditional, the first thing that's happening in the background is the lender's accessing your credit report and putting an inquiry there. Now, if we do that 3 or 4 times, for example, over a weekend, we want to go on a holiday, we're shopping around for the best deal, you are going to drop your score dramatically. For context, you should only have about 3 to 5 inquiries in an entire year. So 5 in a day will drop your score from, say, good to bad. And because that pattern sits there for 5 years, yes, it gets older, but it sits there for 5 years, Equifax's algorithms will continue to punish you for that 1 day's worth of behavior.
Excellent. Great advice there. If you're surprised by what's on your credit report, share it with us. We've got a free assessment offer. We would love to help you today.